Hi everyone, welcome to another session. Today we are going to have a talk briefly on hydraulic system problems, some notable problems on hydraulic systems, causes, and some solutions we could find to some of these problems. Noise, temperature, slow movement or slow operations, etc. Now, when we talk of the major causes or major problems or some of the most prevalent problems in hydraulic systems are: 1. Noise, elevated temperatures, slow or erratic operations, or sometimes no movement at all. Now, all these problems we've mentioned have causes, have some probable causes. Now, let's talk of noise. Most noise comes from the pumps. The pumps usually create some noise that are sometimes unpleasant or unbearable to hear. Now, we've already discussed about aeration and cavitation. Aeration is due to the fact that air leaks into the system and mixes with the hydraulic oil, thereby causing the hydraulic oil to operate spongily. Now, this oil becomes compressible due to the properties of air. So it is sluggish in operation. It causes pitting on component parts of the pump, such as the pistons, vanes, gears, depending on which type of hydraulic pump is being used. Now, when we talk about cavitation, cavitation comes with liquid or water finding its way into the hydraulic system. Now, this also causes similar noise. We've talked about cavitation already, so we'll move on. Now, apart from those two, you could hear metallic noise. Now, this is very severe, and you could hear as if there are marbles within the pump as the pump rotates. So, in eliminating them, you make sure the system is properly sealed. When flanges are removed or parts are changed, they are properly fixed and the system is properly bled to ensure that no air leakage occurs in the system as the machine or the pump operates. Now, let's talk about elevated temperatures. Now, anything that slows or prevents the system from dissipating heat will cause the machine to run at high temperatures. Now, these machines usually are designed in such a way that there is a cooler or a heat exchanger that makes sure this machine works. As the oil travels through the system, it generates heat. So as it circulates, it has to go to the heat exchanger or the oil cooler for the heat to be taken out and for the machine to be able to work efficiently within the required temperatures. Now, when we talk of elevated temperatures, we usually refer to overheating of the system or system overheating. Now, anything that reduces the system's capacity to dissipate heat or increases its heat load has adverse effects on this machine. Now, this includes an excessive workload, a high duty cycle, or a failed or worn component with internal leakage such as pumps or cylinders.